Beanie Gwen breaks down completely after the Beaniverse concert. The latest update of Beanie as they bloom wherever they go. On the third day of Beaniverse concert, and it was time for the girls to say goodbye, one unexpected thing to happen. When the barrier rolled down and Beanie waved to say goodbye sa mga blooms, naging emotional at teary-eyed na sila dito. All their hard work finally paid off and it was all worth it. When the barrier completely shut and no crowd can see backstage, Beanie Gwen breaks down and pours her emotions out. This is completely different of Beanie Gwen as what we see and observe on cam. We may describe her as nonchalant, di expressive sa kanyang emosyon at chill lang, but there is always a story behind that. It may be her way of coping up and protect herself. Because as much as we express our emotions and care so much, we get easily affected and be hurt. But seeing Beanie Gwen with the girls, she slowly opens her heart to them. That's a good thing that she can share her problems, a shoulder to lean on, and that she's not alone. Nandiyan ang Beanie Girls para sa kanya. And here are the comments cheering up for Beanie Gwen and the girls.